Hi everyone, thank you for tuning back in for another one of my videos. So today I'm going to be talking about my favourite glues. Now I thought that I would start off with a glue that comes with pre-packaged nails. That is actually one of my favourites, and that is by the company Elegant Touch. So this is the glue here. It's only a little bottle, but it's not bad for pre-packaged nails. So I found that with this glue I was getting about 5 days out of my nails that I was wearing. Now I work in an office setting, I'm constantly typing on a computer, so constantly bashing my nails away on that keyboard, and I got 5 days. Now the odd one may pop off every now and again, however it's not the end of the world, and if I was starting off using false nails by buying one of these pre-packaged sets, using this glue, it wouldn't deter me from doing it again. However, if I was to use, say, the Primark glue that comes with the Primark nails, I was only getting like a day or two out of that. So when you think about it like that, this glue is actually really good. So if you are in the market of trying false nails and you can get Elegant Touch, and you do live in the UK, you can get them from Tesco and also Asda. So like I said, if you are thinking of trying false nails, they may be a good starter for you, and you do get this glue, which, as I said, gives you about 5 days. My number 2 glue is going to be this. It is the NSI Polybond. Now, up until about 2 bottles worth ago, this was my favourite glue. Now, I found that it used to let me keep my nails on for about 8 days. Unfortunately, the last 2 bottles haven't really been doing that, especially with my thumbnails for some strange reason. The Polybond glue is meant to basically bond to your nail and basically stop water affecting the glue. Like I said, up until about 2 bottles ago, I agreed, it was really good, I was really happy with it. But then, I don't know, it just stopped working the way that it used to. And when I googled it, a few people said 50% of the time it worked for them and 50% of the time it didn't. So it made me feel a bit better that it wasn't me, it wasn't something I was doing, because I wasn't doing anything different than what I was doing before. So it was a bit unfortunate. It's not the cheapest glue around either. I will put a link in the description below for this glue. I did get it from eBay. It is a shame, but if I didn't have my favourite glue on hand, I would use this. If one of my nails just pop off and this is around, I'm not shying away from it. I will still use it. It does come with a brush applicator, which I really like. I find it so much easier when you're putting on false nails to actually brush the glue on rather than have to put a blob on, because knowing me, I always put too much on. So my number 1 is this one. It is called Nail Glue, and it is by the company Vixi, and I got this from Amazon. Now I am going to put again a link in the description for this glue. I got this in a pack of 3, and it is actually a very large bottle. Comparing it to the NSI bottle, it is very big. It's very good. I'm getting about 12 days out of my nails when I use this. The odd one may ping off, but then putting it back on again, no problem. When it comes to actually changing my nails, it does actually take a lot for me to get these off. I have to soak them for ages because this glue is so good. It came in a pack of 3, and it actually came to when you worked it out, actually less than this little NSI bottle, and you get a lot more. I actually found this by accident. Again, this one is a brush applicator like the NSI, but it's just so good. It's so strong, and I do all sorts with my nails now. Typing away at work, cleaning up, going in the bath, going in the shower, washing dishes, and I am not scared at all that my nails are going to come off because of this little beauty. So I would definitely wholeheartedly recommend this glue. So they are my top 3 nail glues that are my favourite. So give them a go. you know, if you are thinking about trying false nails, please do. They are so much better than going getting acrylic nails, because you know, you can do it for any occasion. You know, you can do it at home, and I love it, honestly. I get so many compliments about my nails, and for the fact that I'm saving so much money on such elaborate designs. If I was to go and get these done at a salon, it would cost me a mega bucks that I don't have. So you know, you get to look you get to look good on a budget, basically. So I definitely do it. So thank you for watching. Please do let me know in the comments below if there's anything that you feel I have missed, anything that you would like to see in future videos, any improvements that you would like to give me. You know, it means a lot. Please like, please subscribe. I am, you know, at the very beginning of doing all of this, and I'm enjoying doing it so far, and I hope to continue. And I'd love to get your support, you know, with it. But like I said, any suggestions or even criticisms, please do let me know. All of them will be taken on board. I've got thick skin and I just want to improve. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.